Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to Eve's channel. Today I'm going to be seasoning some ribs. Now these are pork loin back ribs, so they're pretty thick. Now I've already begun, I put my knife in here and started taking out the membrane, so hopefully, you know, it comes out all in one piece. Now this right there, if you take this out, it helps your seasoning goes through, and it makes it, you know, you season it much better that way. That's trash. I don't want it to be all rubbery when it's done. So now what I'm going to do is, I have some butter, some honey. This is basically just going to be like a little top coat on top of it. Mix that right up in there. Then I'm just going to basically brush it on. This is going to help my ingredients stick onto the ribs and also tenderize it. So let's see how this is going to go down. Now I'm doing this, today's Monday night, so I'm seasoning it now because I'm going to cook it tomorrow. And then, let me flip this bad boy over. And do the same thing on this side. Now I love me some butter. Now if y'all butter lovers like me, that's what I'm talking about. All that. Looking out good. Alright, I'm ready to get the seasoning up on here. Now what I have today, let me push this to the side. What I have today is, I'm basically, where's my spoon? 1 spoon of onion powder, paprika, garlic, parsley, and I have a little bit of ground ginger and some brown sugar. So I'm going to start off with my brown sugar. If you can see this, let me move this a little up. Get a thin brown sugar. I should have fallen all over. You know what? I think I'm going to add 2 spoons of brown sugar. Okay. Now, I normally don't measure, so that's not my thing. So I have my garlic powder, if you can see that. A little paprika. There we go. Have some onion powder. I'm going to some parsley. It's hard to get it when it's really not practically empty. That's how you know I cook a lot. And it's all practically gone. Now, for my ginger, I'm not going to add a whole spoon because ginger can be pretty strong. So, come on. You know what? It's easier if I do it like this. Alright. A little bit of black pepper. I think my princess is starting to wake up. Yes, it's falling over. It's fine. Now, I have some adobo over here. I'm also going to use 1 spoon. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is give it a good mix. A little brown sugar. And hopefully this will be enough to coat both sides. Because like I said, I don't measure. I just go by, you know, I just eyeball everything basically. Some people want the measurements. Let's see how this gonna go. Alright, now I'm still gonna add brown sugar towards the end of it. I'm just gonna get this seasoned for now, and then tomorrow I'm going to stick it in the oven. So I'm gonna let this marinate overnight. Ooh, making me sneeze. Now you can always taste it. And let's go get this rub on. I feel like I have to sneeze. So I'm just going to, you know what? Let me do the back first, because the back part, I'll do the back first. Now, if y'all do ribs, y'all let me know y'all seasonings that y'all put on y'all's, so I can give it a try. This is just mine. Brown sugar everywhere. Now I might end up adding more. Let me see how this goes first. I just might end up adding more, because I like mine flavored very well. Okay, so there you go. Okay, now I'm going to put this right over. Okay, for everybody to see. There you go. This is very meaty, so it's really, really, I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out. There you go. I'm also washing clothes, so excuse the noise in the background. And my pain in the butt is waking up. It's okay. Alright. I'm going to get this seasoned very well. And then, there you go. And then I'm going to wrap this in some saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator until tomorrow. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, my pumpkin woke up. It's okay. They got it. Moment after it's wrapped up, I'm going to add the rest of this, because that's what I'm talking about. It's already looking very good. Bam. What y'all think? I'm going to let it sit. Okay, everyone. I was going to wrap it in some saran wrap, but obviously my saran wrap wasn't working out too well. So I've decided to just put it in some aluminum foil for now. And the rest of the butter and honey, I poured it on top, and I'm going to wrap this up and then let it sit for a few hours. Probably like a good 8 hours or 10, however I feel the need. And then tomorrow you will see the finished product after I put it in the oven. Okay. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Eve's channel. If this is your first time watching, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, hit that bell to be notified every time I do a new video. You'll get that, notification. Now today I have some garlic mashed potatoes. I have some stuffing here and some pork ribs. Look at that. With barbecue guava sauce. Okay, I made it. So I have extra barbecue guava right here, just in case I want to add more. And I also have honey in case I want some more honey. Now, what I'm going to do is first cut this open and share a piece with my lovelies. My little loved ones over here before I dig in. Let's see how this is going to go. Hopefully, I'm cutting in between it because it is. I think I'm doing bone. Look at that. There we go. Shh. There's my little puppies over there.
Dad,
Babe, how many you want? Babe, how many you want? Yes, I am. I'm gonna give you a piece now. It's crispy in the bottom. I just took it out the oven, so. Yeah, all that guava and barbecue sauce is on my aluminum foil. Hopefully.
4?
Yeah.
What?
Some of those all hold your hands.
Yeah.
And they got a little stick figure.
Yeah. And then they all.
It's like literally
Yeah, and then they all messed
falling
And I let
off.
it time I fell.
it up. Yeah.
Tell them broken pieces.
Yeah.
Mm.
When did you see that?
Yesterday.
I just seen it today.
I was gonna show you, but you gotta just do everything, so I kept it to myself.
What?
No, I'm talking to myself.
You talk to him?
Yes,
To turn this the other way because
Oh, show me.
now the aluminum pan already cooled down. I'm cutting it. Whoa. Turn this thing up. Look. It's literally falling off, babe. You ain't gonna get no bone. I'm serious. It's falling off, you guys. Look at that. It's so tender. It's good too. What? How many you want, CJ?
What? I want like 2, 3.
Alright, we'll come and get it. The barbecue is sticking on here.
Let me eat right here.
We'll go get your plate because it's like
Where's the
hot.
plate?
Right there. Look, the bone is already coming out. You see that? It's so soft. You want mashed potatoes?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, help yourself. Have some stuff in here. Sorry about the lighting, but there you go. Babe, you want stuffing, right?
A little bit.
A little bit. Now I'm not gonna make myself a plate because I'm gonna eat it right from here. Look, you guys.
There's so much. Want to get more?
What?
Stuffing?
Stuffing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I don't eat a lot of stuffing.
I'm very hungry. I'll wait a whole hour and a half. Like maybe 5. Choose this one?
Yes. Let me tell y'all. I done hooked this thing up. I done marinated there overnight. And it is just awesome. And then let me see if you can see it because the lighting isn't so bright in here. But my garlic mashed potatoes is made with milk, butter, garlic powder, a little bit of salt up in there. Let me tell you. That's that stuff right there. Love it. Now, I like the pan part, but hopefully I'm cutting it right because I feel like I'm hitting the bone. Got it.
My plate's already done?
Your plate's almost done. Y'all not gonna see me because I'm over here getting up in here. Sunny is like Thanksgiving up in this piece. Ouch.
I didn't Thanksgiving this pork.
I don't care. Every time I eat, I'm a happy camper. That's all I gotta say.
But it's not Thanksgiving.
It don't have to be Thanksgiving. Do it have to be Thanksgiving for y'all to bust a grub? A good home cooked meal with everything in their mama on the plate?
Oh, hog day.
Huh?
You heard, babe? Babe, it's called Hog
Hog Day.
You're hogging it.
I'm going to tear into this. And then I have some extra sauce here, like in case I want to dip it. Let me tell y'all. I learned how to do this today. Actually, last night. I'm going to keep doing it. It's so good. Ooh, got my soda on the side. You know what? I'm still gonna, I don't even know where to start. I'm so excited. I don't know where to start. Look at this. Oh my God, you guys. I just don't know how bad it is. Look, I don't even know what I'm trying to start, but bam. It's going to be sticky, so look at this. Look at that. Look, you guys.
It's okay. It's okay. Right?
Don't that look good?
It's okay.
It's a little messy, but guess what? Oh, good. Yo, that guava barbecue sauce is so good.
It's a bottle, man. I make a bottle.
Next time I make it, I'm gonna have to just, or I can just put under there how to make it.
Tell me, man.
Okay.
All right, everyone. Yeah, it was recording the whole time. All right, everyone. Don't take all of my stuffing. My son's over here stealing some stuffing over here.
Here it is, so I do. Just good.
Really?
I'm
Really? Are
hungry.
you kidding me?
I haven't eaten in 2 hours.
There you go. Where you left me? My greedy ass son.
That's gravy.
I took all my damn. No, it ain't no gravy. That's guava barbecue sauce. I'm telling you, you grab all that stuff and you better eat that. Go and sit there and take all my stuff. Look at that. Took all my stuff in. What's next?
I wanted the whole thing. I wanted your ribs and everything. You didn't want it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This guava barbecue is really good. Awesome. Now a good rib and barbecue sauce, you're always gonna be messy. It's the bomb. My kids are still chilling, watching whatever they gotta watch. This garlic mashed potatoes, homemade by me. So good. Look at that. Add garlic, butter, parsley. Tomorrow's Wednesday. It's supposed to be nice. So let's see. It's gonna be cold, but still, at least it's gonna be sunny. This Thursday, it's supposed to rain and snow up in this piece. So it's gonna be like slushy. So let's see. No, babe, that's off the bottom. Yo, that guava barbecue is off the hook.
801.
And it's so meaty. Mm-hmm.
You know, and I've been outside all day.
It's cool.
I went outside.
I don't even want to drink nothing because if I drink something, I'm going to get full. So.
Mm.
Look at that. So good. You know what? I want some extra honey. Is she fine?
Mm-hmm. More what?
Right here.
No, that's so bomb right now.
You're welcome.
And the guy. Something remote
Ready?
with the ball.
You tell me that, girl.
When?
Today?
Today. Today is Tuesday.
Mm.
On Sunday.
I'm gonna watch it upstairs.
Family guy.
Look at that.
See it? Still recording?
Yes, I'm still recording. Oh my goodness. These kids better calm down. They upstairs watching something. Acting a fool. Wait until your daughter. Mm. 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 CJ tastes good. That's her sister. Yeah. Messy, but good.
I can see half of my ribs.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
My finger hurt. How about like
Mom,
that's what I'm talking about.
the juice soda.
Mm-hmm. That was another way. Save me some water. Dang. You might have to fill that up by the time I get to it.
That's too much rest for you, baby.
Ooh.
And the bad thing is that I'm full. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's been like a year ago.
Oh, everything came off. Look. The whole top. I'm just pissed I screwed them off. You're gonna say nothing. Look, my hands is a mess. You see that? Yay! Once again, please share this video with everyone, anyone. Comment, subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to be notified every time I do a brand new video. I'm Eve. And thank everyone for watching and eating with me. So, on that note, I will be letting you guys go. Because tomorrow I will be doing another video. Not going to tell you what. It's going to be a surprise. Excuse me. Excuse me.
We got a horse running through here.
That sauce is real good. I'm going to do it again.
Hmm?
You need to do that with like some drumsticks or something.
Yeah, we're
Chicken
on the purpose.
wings. No, it ain't.
Fine with the rib.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, do not write that recipe down and create a new one.
Cool.
You.
You better fill up my water.
I get like 5 pounds messing with you. I gotta hit that treadmill in front of the bed.
I hit my pillow.
Where's your pillow at? Not here. Damn, really?
Yeah, sauce came out really good.
Hey, why you the only one dipping? Why my shit was dry?
Because I didn't say you could share.
It's like eating dry noodles.
Yeah, you saw salt on top. You want us to double dip? Oh well.
Let me get a little bite of yours.
Mine's with the sauce. Oh man.
Mm-hmm.
Got a burp again. I can feel it.
And I'm gonna lick the spoon.
You gonna lick my finger?
The spoon.
My finger?
Off the video.
They can't see you in here. Come on, hurry up. Rudy. Banging, right?
Sorry.
Mm-hmm. Dang, my mashed potatoes damn near gone.
I thought you were gonna say goodbye and it's still be.
I am going to say goodbye. I can't stop eating this. And my thumb hurt. I was putting a potato yesterday and peeled my half of my thumb. Well, 2 days ago, it still hurt. There's a big chunk missing. I almost lost a thumb. All right, everyone. So I'm going to sign off. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with everyone, and just let me know what you think, okay? Now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with my next video. Bye.
Stalker, this is recording.
I couldn't touch the camera. Look at my hands.
Cynthia, touch the camera for your mommy,
It's
baby.
sticky.
Shut it down, because your mom here trying to lie.
No, I got it.